Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a question about find and replace, if you could find and replace colors by the name of the color. Never really thought about it because there's an easier way to do it, but if we want to do that, we're open find and replace. So if you go to edit, find and replace, we're just going to find an object. We're going to edit the query. We're looking for a fill. So we want to have that checked, but then we want to double click on there. Then when you go to here, you can actually go to here and get colors. So the red is 25500. Let's go OK, and then find OK, and then find all. It found all the red, and we could change them to green. The blue just happens to be 0055. It's just the opposite. So we can do the same thing, edit query, click on the text. That's a big part of it. Go right here and then go to this color. Well, you don't have to, it's already there. 255. Okay, find all. And it found all the blues, and we're gonna turn them pink. So yes, you can do it by name. I don't know the advantage to that because you could always just pick the color and from selection, and then find all, and it'll find it from that selected color. There might be if you have different, I don't know, because if you had different shades, it would be a different color. But this actually probably does have a name. It's blue. Where this is cyan. I don't think there's a way to just type in blue. I might do a little research on that. And, you can see, I don't really see a way to type in blue. On this particular deal, there's not really a blue. But anyway, you can search by the numbers. Hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.